Hello to all my friends out there. And I just noticed that my videos have the closed captioning. So this is awesome. So if you guys are hearing impaired and you're watching my videos, or if you're doing the translation into another language, welcome to my channel. This is so awesome. I was told my son, I was so excited. So welcome to everyone, all my old followers and all the new subscribers. So if you can see in the background, I parked in the opposite direction is the freeway. And out here, the freeway goes 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. And in the last apartment I lived in, it was just right up the way a little, and I lived on the other side. Well, no, it wasn't. It was the same side. And you could see the freeway from my balcony. That's a freeway. So this video is 25 of the cheapest foods you can eat. And so this month, I'm going to be making some cheap meals. Okay, so today, I'm up here doing my walking, but right before that, I swung by to get the Walmart bread. See this stuff? This is the good stuff. Look, I wolfed down half a loaf on the way up here. It's delicious. It's sweet sourdough bread for $1 at Walmart. It's delicious. And then yesterday I made mention that I bought spices. And so I checked them out, and they had the curry powder for under $2, which is super cheap. I'm going to be making some chicken curry stew. How I make it is I just make like chicken stew and I put curry in it. And you can eat it over rice, but a lot of times I put potatoes in mine. And then I went to the markdown bin and I got this lard marked down. Okay, why? This was 1 pound for $1.13. That's cheap. Why this is good is it's really pig fat. So if you didn't have any bacon drippings, but you had lard, and this is a whole pound, then you can make some good gravy. So 25 of the cheapest foods you can eat. Refried beans. Okay, you can buy them refried already, but if you refry them again in some bacon drippings, and you have some chorizo that you've cooked in the bacon drippings, and you stir it around, and then you add a little milk, that is going to give you the best refried beans. And that's a good thing. Oh, my eye is itching. That's a good thing to remember. I'm still exhausted. That's a good thing to remember if you don't have any cheese. Refried beans. Macaroni and cheese. Okay, it's going to be better if you make it yourself. So what I do is I make white gravy. I melt a couple tablespoons of butter or margarine. I sprinkle a little flour, and then I add milk, usually powdered milk. It can be evaporated milk, half and half of the water. And I make a gravy, and then I add Velveeta cheese, because that's the cheapest, or any kind of cheese. And then I add the pasta. You can add cheese on the top and put the hot dogs on the top and bake them like I did last night with the pork and beans. So macaroni and cheese. Bacon, gravy, and bread. So if you have this good bread and you have bacon drippings, you can make bacon gravy and bread. One time I got into this lady, is from, she was over there from Europe, Scandinavia, and I said the worst thing is no milk. She goes, oh, the worst thing is no cheese. I go, no, the worst thing is no milk because no gravy. But, there's grilled cheese sandwiches, there's macaroni and cheese, so, milk and bread if you can. Another thing is you're apt to run out of milk, bread, and cheese. They have a good 5-ounce cheese at Dollar Tree for $1. Vienna sausages and eggs with some toast. Okay, all I do is just fry the Vienna sausages, and I fry some eggs and have some toast. Eggs and pancakes with jam, or that's cheap. I stockpile packages of pancake mix. Bologna sandwich. Okay, if you have this good bread with mayonnaise and bologna, you can get by. 50-cent soups. Okay, so I investigated the 50-cent soup. It's basically tomato and chicken noodle for 50 cents, and then cream of chicken and cream of mushroom at Aldi's. So at Walmart, they don't have the 50-cent tomato. The Campbell's soup, some of it is up to $1.48 a can, which is a lot. But what I do is I buy cans of soup marked down. So I just go to every place I shop, like this Walmart here has a marked down bin, and I just swing by, and a lot of times I find evaporated milk, soup. The $1 sausages that I showed you, I buy them at Dollar Tree, and eggs with toast. Peanut butter and jam sandwich. Potted meat sandwich. Okay, the way I like to make it is I make toast, then I put the potted meat that you buy for 50 cents, and then I put an egg on top. That is a good breakfast sandwich. You can eat that for dinner. Pizza. Okay, pizza is like the cheapest thing you can ever make. I buy the crust mix for 52 cents at Walmart. And if you carefully prepare it, and you make small ones until you get the hang of it, and they have pizza sauce up there. And if you don't have cheese, just use Parmesan cheese, you know, the kind you sprinkle on. And pepperonis, or, you know, whatever you have. Cheese. Pizzas are cheap. Top ramen. I can make some pretty good stuff with top ramen. You put 1 tablespoon water, 1 tablespoon, 1 egg, and you beat it, and you stir it around in your top ramen, or top ramen with cheese and butter. Thank you, Henzo. And then if you have lime and hot sauce, that's very good. Leftover meat and vegetables in your top ramen. Okay, canned spaghetti or raviolis. Those will get you by in a pinch, and they're pretty tasty too. You know, and another thing is you could eat them straight out of the can. Canned chili. I just put, what I do with canned chili is, say if I have 1 hamburger patty, I fry it. I add the canned chili to the hamburger, and, you know, I make some cornbread. So that's going to make, and I buy the hamburger patties for 50 cents. I buy them marked down, or I buy the Walmart 16 patties for $9.98. They contain some soy. Okay. You know the frozen hamburgers? Frozen hamburgers, chicken pot pies, or frozen nuggets with fries, and you buy the fries for $1. Egg and cheese burrito. So, you know, that's easy. So here is the first part of it, in case you guys want to take a screenshot. No. Grilled cheese sandwich and fries. That's decent. Or tomato soup. Stuffed baked potatoes. So I bake my potatoes, I take out the potato portion, and I make like mashed potatoes with butter and milk. And then you can add bacon, sour cream and chives, broccoli and cheese, or chili, or top with sausage gravy. And so what I did is I made a bunch of twice baked potatoes up. And when I want a potato, I just take them out, and I can heat them in the microwave. Okay, now this one is one we used to make a lot. You get stewed tomatoes. I usually buy the Walmart brand, and you add salt, pepper, and sugar, and you cook that, and you add cooked macaroni. That doesn't sound good, but you guys, that is good. You got to try that. That's basically the same recipe for fried rice. You scramble eggs, you add vegetables and meat and rice and salt, pepper, and sugar, and eat with soy sauce, fried rice. But the tomatoes is basically the same. All right. Corn chowder, and then in your corn chowder you can add bacon, ham, or sausage, corn chowder. And I have a good corn chowder on my Twitter. I also posted a lot of good videos for you guys if you want to see them. Pea soup and bread. I make the best pea soup, and it's so easy. That's why I stockpile green beans and peas. On the green beans, I wrote it here somewhere. I just take a can of green beans undrained, and I add bacon, salt, and pepper, and I cook it, and I make it with cornbread. That's good. All right, and then the last one I have is pasta salad. I used to go to the Adventist church, and they're pretty much a lot vegetarian, so I would add chickpeas, green peas. You can add anything. Carrots, bell peppers, onions, red onions, olives, pepperoni, ham, anything you have, and then you can, and chicken. Okay, for the pepperoni type, or the chickpeas and peas and carrots, that type, the veggie, I usually use Italian salad dressing. So you have these, you get your items you're going to add to your pasta. For the type that's like pepperoni or ham, that type, ham and peas is really a good combination. I would put cheese in there, just anything that sounded good to me. That kind of use Italian salad dressing and salt and pepper. But with chicken, I make a regular pasta salad with the vegetables, carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, whatever I have. And then I add chicken and cheese with ranch dressing, and that makes you a really good pasta salad. So there you have it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.